There are two approaches to this question. I'm going to talk about both of them. So the way I would do it would be to use this formula here. New is equal to old times multiplier. An effective formula to work out normal percentages, reverse percentages, and percentage increases. If you write it down and kind of substitute the numbers in, you don't even have to worry too much about whether it's reverse or normal. By the way, in this case, it's reverse because they're asking us for the original price. So they've told us that the new price after it's increased is 1,426. So I can substitute that in, and I've got the old price here. That's the one I want to find, and I'm timesing by the multiplier. Now, if I increase by 15%, then I get 115%, and that as a multiplier is 1.15. So essentially, I've got the old price, and I'm timesing it by 1.15, which means if I want the old price, it's going to be 1426 divided by 1.15. $1,240. Okay, brilliant. Actually, I might just write it there as well. So the second way you could do this question is that you could say, right, I've got 100%, I'm increasing it to 115%, and that is worth 1426. It's kind of like, yes, you're kind of identifying that it is a reverse percentages problem. You can then, and this works well without a calculator, basically. I'm kind of using a non-calculator method, but I am going to use a calculator to figure it out. I can work out what 1% is by dividing through by 115, and that gives me 12.4. So if I want 100%, I would then just times through by 100, which will give me that same answer, 1240. So both methods are good. Up to you which you prefer. This is non-calc in theory, works really well when it's when you don't have a calculator, because this gets a bit trickier to do this calculation. But both methods are solid.